Why do you want to even do an event? Events are so important because of so many reasons. But the biggest and most important reason that you want to have an event in a space to sell things is because of the concept of immersion. When people are in an immersive situation, really cool stuff happens. Really cool stuff happens. Number one, it takes people out of their normal day-to-day patterns, right? Getting out of their daily routine, getting out of their daily emotional home, getting out of their daily just default, their default patterns, their default life. Like an immersive event gets them out of that, which is huge. You'll probably get the best version of people in an event, which is really awesome. The other thing that an event does is the proximity that other people are around in this space. Having proximity with other people, there's something about proximity that switches up people's patterns and has them look at things differently. Immersion compresses time. So what you can do in 5 days or 5 hours, what would normally take somebody 5 weeks, 5 months, for some people 5 years. I mean, we literally have people come into our masterclasses and they're like, I've done more in these 5 days than I've done in the last 5 years. Like, what? 5 days? Yeah. So immersion creates a compression of time. There's also when you're in an immersive event, people's retention level goes up, creating identity shifts faster with people in an immersive event. We said, hey, we're going to take you from pleaser and pusher to professional guide quicker in an immersive event, 5 days, right? So an immersive event is very, very, very important. Events are the place to deliver your offer. The core idea of a masterclass is not to bring a bunch of content. It's not just to bring a bunch of teaching stuff. It's a conversion event. A masterclass is a conversion event. You're basically breaking down and rebuilding belief systems that people have about buying your thing so that they end up buying your thing without a lot of objections. You're able to transition into your offer very smoothly. You teach just enough to create desire, to create confidence. You teach just enough. Just enough. But it's not a 5-day school. That's not the objective. The objective is to convert people in a way that a professional guide would convert people. We're not convincing people. Remember, you're not spending 5 days pitching people. You're spending 5 days walking through a system, a process to convert them from, I want what you have, I need what you have, I trust you, and I have the certainty that I can do it. That's it. To whatever it is you're selling, to whatever it is that you're offering to people. Now, again, do you see the power in needing an offer here? Because if you just went into some giant pitch where you don't have some clear offer, it's going to be difficult for people to see that. If I told you that I could guarantee you, if you follow a system, 20% of the people that attend your event, 20% of the people that attend your masterclass, if you follow our system, 20% will say yes to your program, product, service, opportunity. 20%. Guaranteed. If you follow our system. How many of you are like, okay, all right. That means if you bring 10 people to the event, 2 people are in.
Mm.
Is that 20%, Michelle?
Yeah. Good math.
2 people are in. That means if you bring 20, they're in for sure. Now, let's say you're offering a $10,000 program. That's pretty cool. 20% is a low number. That's a low number. We know it's more up an echelon around 40%, but 20%, I'm going to use very conservative numbers, very conservative numbers. But think about it. Let's just say you had a $5,000 program and you had 20 people to a masterclass a month and 4 people buy. 4 people buy. It's 20 grand a month in doing a 5-day masterclass, an hour a day. This is pretty good, right? That's pretty good. 20 people, 20 people, 20 people. Your 5-part system is critical. What am I going to talk about in day 1? Certainty and how important it is for people to be certain when you sell to them. What are we talking about day 2? Offer. How to build an offer. What did I talk about yesterday? How to build an offer. Day 3, how to sell one-to-many. Masterclass, immersion. So what do you love talking about? What do you love communicating? What do you love exploring? What do you know people need to go from here to here? And that's what becomes part of your 5-part system. But you tell it on day 1. Here's the step-by-step process we're going to walk through. Your greatest experiences have fear and uncertainty. So I know fear is actually a good thing. Your greatest experiences are on the other side of them. Why would you not be fearful about a masterclass? You would. Did I just give you a bit to help you overcome your fear, your internal objection of facilitating and doing your own masterclass?